This is gonna be the craziest pack opening on FIFA ever. This is crazy. Yo guys, what up and welcome to another video. So today we're doing a FIFA 21 pack opening, the best FIFA pack opening ever. Let's do this. Okay, hopefully we can pack, some crazy player, a what if card. Hopefully we can. Let me move to this side a little bit so I can put it right over here. So without further ado, the first pack, a jumbo gold pack. Can we pack anything out of this? Let's see. Usually these aren't too good, but we do have a lot of packs. And no, we start with no board, no walkout. So we will skip those. Next, jumbo gold pack. This will take a long time. Hopefully it won't, but this might. We also have some mega packs. Oh, no walkout, a board. Oh, could have been Team of the Week, but what are we gonna get? Center forward. Oh, it's Tadic. Oh, we already know that is not. I mean, it's okay. 83, 24 gold, and 7 rares. What can we get in this pack? Please, a walkout. Ooh, no walkout. A Team of the Week board. That's 10k automatically. Striker. Who is that? From Red Bull. Who is that? Is that like a low? That's a 77 rated card. 10k discard. We will definitely take that. How much is he going for? Discard price. Get in the bin. Oh. Send them to the club. Oh, we got a center mid, CDM, and a hunter. That is very nice. Very nice. That's 9k worth of discards. So gold players pack. This usually does some good stuff for me. Can we get anything out of here? Please. Ooh, no walkout or board. Really? Okay, we got James. Oh, everything. All players right here. We're just gonna send all of them to the transfer list and try to make some coins. Small rare gold player pack. Okay, so I got a really cool walkout out of a smaller version of this. Can we get walkout? No, we can't. Can we get a board? Okay, we can get Team of the Week board. We can get Team of the Week board. English, left mid. No clue who that is. Who is that? 81 rated Mavididi. Heard that? Mavididi. He looks like. How much would he go for actually? Can I not like? Okay, we'll just send him off to the club. Why couldn't I check his price? I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, leave a like, subscribe, and yeah, I'll see you guys next week. Peace.
I'm telling you right now, 600k plus. I'm telling you right now, 600k plus. Watch this. Watch this, bro. Watch. 600k plus easy. I'm telling you, I'm not letting you down. Brazil. CA, what's that mean? What's a CA mean? Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! I told you, bro! I told you! I said it, bro! I said believe in me! I am pulling an icon over 600k plus! No cap! 100%! Vamos caralho! Belito, man! Belito, man! Belito, bro, for the boys!
Now let's move over to the second one. Can we get a Ronaldo, or Rashford, or a Handanovic? Come on here. No way! Oh my god! 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 There is no way! There is no way! I don't even know what to say.
Тролль из Португалии. Вы ебануты! Что? Вы ебануты! Блядь, что?
Franchement les gars, c'est des bons vraiment les Twins. C'est des bons, que ce soit Liam et Vincent. D'ailleurs Liam et Vincent, j'ai un truc à vous dire. Je sais pas si vous êtes sur le chat, attendez. Je te dis que mon pack s'ouvre. J'ai un truc à vous dire. Italien, DC. Oh, Cannavaro, allez Maldini. Maldini 94. Bouh. Qu'est-ce qu'il y a maintenant? Maldini 94 mon gars. Bim. Let's go mon ref. Maldini 94 wesh. C'est un délire le truc. Maldini Prime 5 millions de crédits frère.
Chat, no one's getting CR7 tonight, bro. Yo, chat, has anybody in the chat packed CR7 actually or not? Holy shit! Okay. That's me. Hi, I just packed CR7. Bro, what? Dude, I literally said we were packing CR7, dude.
No, non Dennis, non Dennis. Ah! Ah! Gullit Prime!
خي صافي سالينا دراري ستوب الوليدة سمعتنا.
Prime! Oh my god! You sent me out! Oh my god! Prime! Oh my god! Oh my god! No way!
C'è Rivaldo, aspetta. E invece no. E invece non è Rivaldo. Non è per niente Rivaldo.
Walk out! Whoa. Whoa! R9! What the? Oh my! Holy! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! I wasn't even paying attention! Oh my god! Oh my god, what do I even do? What do I even do right now? 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 What do I even do? What do I even do? What do I even do? I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do. I can't, I don't know what to do. No, don't skip it. Don't skip it. Don't skip it. Ah, I'm shaking, bro. I'm shaking.